Hi friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for Mama Elephant's April 2025 release. Today we are introducing playing cards and the artist trading card Creative Cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images first. Look at how cute these different playing card figures are. This stamp set has all the images you need to create a pack of cards. This stamp set coordinates perfectly with the ATC Creative Cuts. ATC stands for Artist Trading Cards. This set consists of 2 different dies. These 2 dies combine into making either playing cards, artist trading cards, or any type of trading card like Pokemon cards or anything else you can collect. For today's card, I wanted to create a Queen of Hearts playing card. I stamped the images in a brown ink because I wanted the card to have a soft look. And as per usual, you can find the colors I use in the description below. As a finishing touch, I add some white gel pen accents. And that finishes the coloring for today. I'm taking a standard sized white card base and covering it with a piece of green cardstock. I cut my back of my playing cards from the larger of the two dies included in the ATC Creative Cut set. I also cut out the other piece a couple of times because I wanted to use the white border all around my cards. I'm using a combination of tape runner and foam tape to adhere my images to my card. To finish my card, I'm adding a sentiment from one of our new sentiment sets, which I heat embossed in white on Kraft cardstock. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of introductions. This release is available from the 15th of April. Bye!